They don't want to make no money. That's all that is.
I do the dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the tires bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, y'all. Y'all see it, man. Another day, another dollar. Car only got 94,000 miles on it. Let me take this out, man. I need to hurry up. Matter of fact, what time it is, because the auction starts at 12 o'clock. The Copart auction starts at 12 o'clock. It is 11:32, so I am pushing it. So let me show y'all. Already put purple power on the tire rims and tires. I put purple power on this. It's a little dirty, dusty. Y'all see it, man. I'm about to get it real clean. Y'all see, I already sprayed it all up. Purple power, sprayed it all up there. I just wanted to show y'all how dirty and dingy the car is. I put a new headlight in there. See, from yesterday's video, if y'all watch it, y'all can run it back and watch that video. But yeah, it was all cracked up, so I put a new headlight in there. So it kind of matches this one. You know, it don't look bad. We put a new bumper on there. They fixed all that. They adjusted the hood. Man, they got me right, man. Yeah, y'all see it, man. This dent is still here. I ain't fixed that. This right here, I sprayed this a little bit, touched this up where you don't see all the black marks and all the scratch marks. But yeah, man, let me put this dollar in here. I only paid $2 to get my car washed. I put $1 for the soap and then $1 for the rinse. Let's get it. It's all dirty and nasty. Driving good, driving smooth, really nice, really clean. Y'all see it? Man, I just want to show y'all how it drives good, just in case y'all guys interested and want to buy it. Lucky's Wheels and Deals on IG, Instagram, man. You know, as soon as I sell them, I'm deleting them. I don't want people asking me, what I have available or whatever. If you don't see it on Instagram, it's not available. Stop asking me. You know what I mean? If you don't see it on Instagram, it's not available. I'm deleting it. I'm not even gonna put sold on the side. So if y'all see me post something for an hour and delete it, that means it's sold. Quick. I posted on Instagram before I even posted online. So, you know what I mean? So these videos are like a week behind. So when you see these videos, most likely the cars are either sold or I still got them. It is what it is, man. I sell cars fast. I gotta sell them fast. I gotta sell them fast. I bought these cars to sell them, not to keep them. You know, like Unc be saying, what, you keeping that motherfucker? Say, hell no, I'm selling everything for sale. Man, we're still in the middle of tax season. People still got that money out there. I sold out, went to Dallas. Now I'm back on my grind. Well, I never got off my grind because that was work. Being out there in Dallas, man, getting up at 6, going to sleep at 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, get back up at 6. And that was only for what, 2-3 days? But yeah, that's grinding by itself, man. I hope y'all guys enjoyed those videos. If y'all haven't seen those videos, please go watch those videos. I highly appreciate it, man. A lot of work goes into these videos. A lot of time. Now look at this fool right there. Caught your little ass. Trying to jump out from the Don, from the boss. Oh. Well, yeah, man. Follow me on IG, Facebook, Lucky Luciano. If y'all interested in buying any of the merch, the hoodies, the t-shirts, any of that, man, I highly appreciate everybody that's supporting. Appreciate people that's buying the cars from out of town, sending me Cash App, you know, watching these videos, buying cars just by watching these videos and trusting my word. Man, I am a man of my word. I'm gonna do what I say. Let me show y'all the car. Let me walk around it real quick, man. Let me walk around it. Y'all see it? Looking good, man. And this is a Copart build. drop these windows down. Pop that hood real quick for y'all can see how clean it looks. I don't even know how it looks, but I'm assuming that it's clean though. Let's see, shall we? Oh yeah, so much better. So much better. Still a little damp. Shit. You alright? So much cleaner, so much cleaner. So much. Way better, y'all. Let me show y'all the inside. Clean up the floor mats. No more baby powder. Put the steering wheel cover on there. Like I said in previous video, I like how they feel. It didn't really need one, but I just like how they feel. Make the car feel full. That's it, man. Back seats, everything's pretty clean, man. So we got, let me show y'all stuff that I don't like about it, just in case y'all interested or whatever, man. I try to be straight up with y'all. This little, you can get another bumper and get this fixed, and then you can get this dent popped out. Other than that, it's a good car. It only got 94,000 miles on it, man. Y'all the type that care about miles. Me, I don't really care about miles, because they don't really mean nothing to me. They done straightened up the hood, put a new bumper on there, painted the bumper, got a new headlight. So yeah, we pretty much rebuilt this car, you know what I mean? Lucky's Wheels and Deals rebuilds once again. But yeah, guys, man, I'm on to the next, man. The Copart auction gonna start within 1 minute. So let me get on my app. Cool thing is you just bid it on the app. So I got a Monte Carlo. If y'all didn't see yesterday's video or the day before that video when I walked around Copart, I'm about to get this. I'm gonna try to get this Monte Carlo. Right now I'm still winning. Monte Carlo SS, blue one with the door hit. I got a Cavalier, a gold one, and then a Tahoe. I'm losing the Tahoe, but I'm gonna try to bid. They want that Tahoe. It sounded good. It's a Z71. Oh man, that thing looks so good. Leather, it's fully loaded. Man, I love my truck, y'all. I don't know what I'm about to name her, man. I was just about to call her Big Bertha. Big Bertha or Big Shirley, which one, y'all? But yeah, so I'm on my way to FedEx, man. I'm gonna go do the homie a favor and rinse these down for him, man. If I got a little time today, I'm about to just go ahead and rinse these off, pull these out. Well, I ain't even gonna pull them out. I'm just gonna hop up there and rinse them from the truck. I'm at least gonna run this damn dirt off, man. These were sitting in the back and they get all muddy, man, from the rain and all that. So let me go ahead and put $1 in here, hop up on there and start spraying them down. Let's get it. Let's put that $1 in there one time. To do it. You see it. You see it. So I decided to give Big Bertha a bath. I decided I'm just gonna name her Big Bertha. Gotta give Big Bertha a bath. Yeah. So we're back over here at FedEx, man. If y'all didn't watch yesterday's video, man, so someone from the Lucky Nation, Terminator T 1000, shout out to him, man. That's his YouTube channel, man. He purchased some rims from me, and I'm about to ship them out right now. I came here yesterday, and then they said that they can't take no cash after 5, and it was like 5:03. Y'all missed that video, go watch that video. But man, so we're gonna try to do it again. Trying to get him his rims to him, man. And that's money calling right now. But yeah, I'm gonna get up in here and hopefully I can make it easier, man. They act like they can't really help me yesterday, like, so hopefully someone's here that can help me and not the same person. Let's get it, y'all. Now they're saying, I just went in there, now they saying, man, these motherfuckers is irritating though, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Now they saying they can't ship out used tires. Used tires. I'm like, man. So you know what? I might go to the next place and say they're new tires. How about that? Go to another place. Man, these motherfuckers, man, it's full of shit. I'm supposed to be FedEx. Where UPS at? These motherfuckers is full of shit. We can't ship used tires. Oh my gosh. How do when I be buying used tires off of eBay and shit, they come, man, they can't ship out used tires. These motherfuckers is full of shit, man. They don't want to make no money, that's all that is. I got some sad news and some good news. And some more good news. Let's start off with some good news. I just sold the Impala, man. And as one of the subscribers of the Lucky Nation, man. Sold that thing, made some good money on it. Sold it already right away. I posted it up not even an hour and sold the Impala, man. It's hot right now. It's tax season. Everybody's my friend. So once again, the sad news is I'm selling Old Faithful, man. My work truck. I'm selling her. Y'all see it, man. I'm in the work truck. I'm over here where everyone's cleaning up cars, getting them ready. And man, I'm about to get this car ready and let it go, man. It's a little filthy, and this is all I cleaned it when I first got it, but what I'm about to do, let me find my place where I'm gonna clean my car. Okay, right here we go. But yeah, guys, man, so like I'm about to clean this truck up, the work truck, and this is I'm finally gonna sell this truck. Since y'all know I got my new truck and I could use that as a work truck. I ain't putting no motors and transmissions in it. Nope. I might put bumpers and fenders and body parts, but not that. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. Y'all see? I clean all this stuff up. I'm gonna throw all this stuff away, man. I probably would sell this, but I'm gonna throw that away. I'm throwing all that stuff away. Everything. All this. Just like throwing stuff away, y'all. I told y'all the grind don't stop, man. For real, they don't. So let me get ready, start picking up this trash, and then I'm gonna start vacuuming. That money out there and I want it, y'all. So we're pulling back up to the car wash for the 3rd time today. Time to clean up this truck. Let me park it correctly. There's money out there. Everything gotta go. I had this truck for a while, man, surprisingly. I had this truck for a while, but it's time to go. So now we got the truck all washed off, cleaned up. It's getting dark, y'all. Y'all see it? Man. So I couldn't get it fully finished how I want to. I got it cleaned off. Still gotta take my pictures. I'm gonna do that in tomorrow's video. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I gotta still get some floor mats. And I might put a steering wheel cover on here. I'm not sure. As a matter of fact, I got this one. I'm gonna probably put this one on there. Since I just wait till this one dries, just put this steering wheel cover on there since I already have one. So wait till that dry. So I just gotta get some floor mats. You know, it's all cleaned up. Let me show y'all. Old Faithful, man. Old Betsy. The body's straight on it. It just need paint. Like I said, if y'all interested, man, let me open this. Y'all see it? All cleaned up. Let me show y'all under the hood real quick. Looking all clean, running smooth and good. Hold on. Let me see what motor is that, man. Let me see what motor is. Let me see. I could have sworn this is the 5.3. That's what I've been thinking the whole time. Let's see what motor is this. Okay. There's the 5.3. I thought it was another motor, but yeah, that's the 5.3 V8. And they still put 5.3s in these motors nowadays, so I guess they're good motors. But anyways, man, shout out to the whole Lucky Nation, man. Thank you for rocking with me, man. I appreciate all the love and support. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
About breaking down the dough, not a stole the key. Got a bitch to cool me down up in the booth, cause I might overheat. I can't believe it took millions of views for you to notice me. I can't believe